creations, Matt's custom creations. Watch your man build, watch your man build, watch your man build. Lego for you.
Hi, this is Matt with Matt's Custom Creations, and today we're going to look at another in the series of 4 LeMans race cars. We're going to focus on this orange creamsicle baby right here. Lego guys can fit in them, and my son and his friends have had fun playing with them, and his magic hands are going to appear here because he makes parts disappear. Oh, there he is. Ah! Oh yeah, I forgot about that feature. Let's take a look. And by the way, inside is being driven by one of the vicious fishes. There is. Let me see if we can see him. There he is. Okay, so what's cool about this is there's a hatch for the driver, but it also goes the other way. The whole back opens up just like a real race car, and you can see the engine in there. So I'm going to get a close-up of that. Okay, on the sides, I have skirts much like the chaparral racers of the late 60s. This would look nicer if it had a nice smooth top part, but I don't have any of those parts, so I'm making do with what I have. So I am accepting donations of any old Lego you might have lying around the place, and I hope to get a Patreon page set up soon. And with those parts, I hope to improve the quality of the builds and share them with y'all. So I appreciate that. Here's what it looks like underneath. And since this car is already built, I'm going to take it apart so you can see how I put it together. First off, we're going to look at the whole roof mechanism. And you can see the whole thing is actually a big hinged row. So that's how you can get the dual action of the back going up and the middle coming up. So I'm not going to go through every single part that's in there. You can pause it or slow it down so you can kind of get an idea. The thing that is holding these side pieces on are these guys right here. See, I've got a windshield piece here. Oh, there's the vicious fish. Now, another neat feature of this car is that you can actually see through the fenders and the bodywork to get some cooling to the wheels. It's sort of an F1 type of approach. And it's got driving lights. Here's something I did just to give some angularity to the car is this part actually slants across. You know, you don't always necessarily need to keep your Legos totally level. Let your mind go wild. That's the fun of Lego. Okay, in the back you can see the engine, and these are like velocity stacks. This little single stud things. I used a lot of smooth pieces. The tires are kind of funny in that they're off-road knobby tires, but I actually started this car based on the wheels and the tires because they were white wheels, and these were the only tires I had. And I just had the right kind of parts combo. I thought, what goes with white, orange? Okay. So I'm going to take the fenders off. And I'm going to take the front piece off so you can see a little bit more of how that's put together. Okay. The nose of the car. I'm going to pop one of the wheels off. Okay, we're going to take the engine apart. You can see some of the detail of the engine. These parts here, ideally I would have had an orange piece like this that was only one single stud wide, but this is what I had. So it's all about adapting to what you have. I built up the back window out of these 3 pieces. Kind of taking away the door areas. And again, would have been nice to have a single wide piece here, but that's what I have. Now, look what's lurking underneath all this. This black piece is a standard car chassis piece that you find with a lot of LEGO vehicles. And so I used that as the basis for the vehicle. So I'm not going to tear it down anymore. You can see what I used to put this together. I appreciate you watching this video and sharing with your friends. And if you like what you saw, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if there's some kind of vehicle, or didn't even have to be a vehicle, if there's just something you have in mind you'd like to see me build, just drop a little message in the comment section below, and I'll take a look at it. If I can do it, I'll build it. And you know what? There hasn't been anything that I haven't been able to build that I didn't set my mind to. And you should feel the same way too. If you can dream it, you can build it. Right, Stone?
Yes.
All right. Thanks, buddy, and y'all take care. Ah! Car wreck. Clean up on aisle 7.